what is happening today is the Maui Institute for Astronomy Open House. It's an annual event held in the fall. And basically what draws people here is we have bunches of cool stuff. We have 3D printers, we have liquid nitrogen.
My favorite part was the liquid nitrogen.
Tours of the labs where you can see world-class instruments being designed and built.
Favorite part was the lab tours.
And of course, some telescopes to look at the sky, or maybe even talk to a solar system ambassador. To have a good time, do some good geeky science happiness.
Next, I'm going to actually be working on trying to orbit this.
Today was actually, it was really fun, and it helped me and others build on our understanding of space and the universe as a whole.
People become more aware of science, they become more critical thinkers, and they can make a better future.